Hello, Namaste, welcome to this video. In this video, I am in front of you with another example. This time it is related to assembly concepts. If you are a design engineer, if you are wanted to do smart work, then you must consider learning and using NX programming. So what I do via this kind of video series is that I spread awareness. I show up different examples from NX programming that can help you do your work smarter, faster than other design engineers. So let's start with this particular example. You can see I have a simple assembly in in front of screen. Then we have a constant called fixed constant. Uh, then what we are going to do is using this journal, we are going to see or we are going to fetch that particular constant basically. So let's hit a play button on this journal. Yeah, you can see this journal has fetched that particular constant and we can see that in this pop-up message. Let's try the another assembly. In this particular assembly, there are huge number of constants. Ignore the errors that you see in front of these constants. We have around, I guess, 19 to 20 constants in this assembly. Now, I'm going to run the same journal again. What it's going to do? It will pop up all those constants to us one by one. You can see this is popping up the different constants, all of them one by one. It will go on till the end, uh, till it shows up all these constants. Yeah, so you can see all of those constants are displayed, are popped up by this particular journal. I will show you how we can also show the number of constants, total number of constants. What I have done, I have added this particular line and I have commented the this line, which is actually popping up the name of constant. So we now are only interested in knowing the number of constants, total number of constants. Let's hit the run button, play button. You can see total constants 20. So all those constants, the total constants, we got that as a pop-up message. So this is how you can use this particular example to know about the constants available in an assembly. The further extension of this could be possible that we can categorize and show the different kind of constants like number of fixed constraints, number of aligned or locked constraints, number of other type of constraints. So we can even categorize them like that and throw it up. Of course, we need to tweak the program little bit, add some more lines of code to do that. But that's it uh, in this particular video. I hope you are enjoying my content and I will be happy to receive the comments from you. Thank you for now and keep watching my channel. Bye bye.